In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit tables in Google Slides. Whether you're preparing for a presentation or organizing your data visually, knowing how to effectively use tables can make a world of difference. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to open Google Slides. You can do this by navigating to the Google Slides website. If you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. This is essential because Google Slides requires authentication to access and modify your presentations. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself at the Google Slides homepage. Here, you'll see all your recent slideshows and an option to start new ones. To create a new presentation, you can either click on blank presentation to start from scratch, or choose a template if you'd like some preset designs. The blank presentation gives you a clean slate, which is perfect if you have a clear vision of what you want. Alternatively, templates can provide a nice framework, especially if you're unsure where to start. With your new presentation open, the next step is to input your data. If you already have data prepared in an Excel sheet or Google Sheets, you can easily bring it into your slides. First, copy the data from your spreadsheet. Then return to your Google Slides presentation and use the paste function to place your data onto a slide. Google Slides will handle the formatting and layout to fit your pasted data into a neat table. After pasting your data, you'll see an option to link to the original spreadsheet. Selecting this allows the table in your slide to remain connected to your data source. This is incredibly useful if your data is subject to change. Any updates made in the original sheet will automatically reflect in your Google Slides table, saving you from the hassle of manual updates. Now that your table is on the slide, click on the Paste button to confirm the addition. Once placed, you can further fine-tune your table. Adjust the column widths, row heights, and even tweak the colors and fonts to better suit your presentation style. These small adjustments can greatly enhance the table's readability and visual appeal. And that's it. You've successfully created and edited a table within Google Slides. This skill not only helps in effectively organizing information, but also elevates the professionalism of your presentations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore different layouts and styles. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below. Happy presenting!